Select the Shape tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Click and drag on the canvas to create a circle shape. With the circle selected, go to the Stroke panel on the right-hand side of the screen and choose the stroke weight and color you want. Now, select the Scissors tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the circle where you want to cut it. This will create an anchor point on the circle. Click on the circle again where you want the cut to end. With the Selection tool selected, the arrow tool on the toolbar, click on one of the halves to select it. Go to the Type tool on the toolbar and select the Type on a Path tool. Hover over the edge of the selected half circle until you see a small plus sign appear. Click once to create a text box on the path. Type your desired text into the text box. You can use the Selection tool to adjust the position of the text on the path by clicking and dragging it. Go to the Appearance panel, Window, Appearance, go to Effect greater than 3D and Materials greater than Extrude and Bevel. This will bring up the 3D Extrude and Bevel options window. In the 3D Extrude and Bevel options window, select the Preview checkbox so you can see your changes in real time. Adjust the extrude depth, bevel and rotation values to your liking. You can also choose a different 3D preset if you prefer. Once you're happy with the 3D effect, click OK to apply it to your text. To further enhance the 3D effect, you can add a drop shadow by going to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow and adjusting the settings to your liking. And that's it. You now have a 3D text effect in Illustrator 2022. Feel free to experiment with different settings and effects to create your own unique design.
I wake up kicking myself, exhale 'cause I heard it helps, but same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders, cold night in a sleepless bed, white eyes with a glaze of wake up kicking myself, exhale 'cause I heard it helps, but same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders.